Today we're at TMCMX. It's a motocross track in Newberry, and we're out here because it's my first motocross race, and Brice is coming out of retirement. He hasn't raced since 2019, so we figured this would be the perfect. It's a pretty low-key race. It's a really good spot to get back into the groove of things. You can hear everyone behind me, hopefully, and everyone's warming up. So let's get to it. You're about to race. How do you feel?
Feeling good, excited, ready to track.
What do you think about it? Is it too wet, too dry?
It looks like it's prime right now. At the end of the day, it might be a little rough, a little soft, but nothing I can do about that. Just gonna go out there and have fun.
Oh yeah, let's get you GoPro'd up and let's go see what you can do.
Right on.
Well, good shit, man. I mean, you got third.
Yeah.
How does it feel to be back?
Weird, man. I'm definitely out of it. Gonna get back in the groove of things, but it was fun. I enjoyed it. Track's awesome right now. Bike's doing great. Me personally, not feeling it yet, but we'll get there. Just first race back.
Exactly, yeah, that's why we came here.
Yep.
So it's really early in the season, so still a lot of races left. Even here, how many races are we doing this full weekend?
This full weekend I'll be doing 8 races in total.
Yeah, exactly. So you got a lot of time, a lot of races, so yep. I'm sure by the end, yeah,
we'll be fine.
Hell yeah.
Right on.
Next to
Day number 2. It's a little chilly today, but it's still early in the morning, so it'll probably warm up. But yesterday we got rained out pretty hard, and it rained pretty much till the evening. So the track it should be in pretty good condition now because it's been sunny and it's been drying up. But today we're doing 3 races. So you're competing in what?
I'm doing 250B, 450B, and then 1424 today.
Okay. So hopefully we'll have more racers in the races than yesterday because, well, it's been pretty quiet here at Newberry. There's not a lot of racers, but that's okay because we're just kind of getting into the groove of things and
just having fun.
that is a wrap for the weekend. How do you feel?
Exhausted.
Yeah, I can imagine. You got 6 races under your belt today total, so that's a crazy amount of riding. I think, honestly, I think your final race was my favorite out of all of them.
That was a fun one. Battled right to the end. A couple guys. It was fun. 3-way battle.
If only I had the drone for that one as well, but we were out of batteries. But I hope you guys all enjoyed. This was this will be the first of many. This was kind of, think of this one as sort of like a pilot episode. So eventually we'll get more filmers out here and we'll be able to make even better content and do more races in the future. So thank you everyone for watching. See you later. Peace.
Peace out.